Today we're going to start our Christmas car, and this is a fun project. It can become anything you want, but you should think about a story. So for me, I think this Christmas car is going to go to a football Christmas. So with that, you're going to be given just the rough outline of your car. And so to draw our car, you can start with pencil, or you can go straight to a China marker. Now, the China markers have a string. If you pull the string, this might happen. So if you need it sharpened, you just pull it one little increment and unwind it. Have a parent help you if you need to. For finer detail, you can use a black colored pencil. So to start, I'm gonna just start with my basic shape of my car. I need to put in the roof. I'm gonna put in a fun little windshield. I'm gonna put in some headlights, maybe a little turn signal. Here's my bumper, and I think I want a license plate. And I can put a bumper behind it. You can color in your tire if you like, black. And like so. Now the fun part is your grill, and that's where air intakes for your engine, and you need combustion, which is fire plus oxygen to happen to run your motor. So that's why the front grill is on your car, and you can make this a couple different shapes like so. Now to start my drawing, I think I'm going to put a tree, and on the top of my tree I'm going to put a football. And again, this entire project is just line art. So for my tree, I'm just simply putting in some simple lines. I can add in some ornaments. And this will all get watercolored in or painted in green, so you don't need to draw everything. You can draw a few more pine needles if you want, but we're not coloring it in. We're just illustrating with a line. And again, we're trying to tell a story. So I think one present might be, and I'm going to imagine this is coming through the sunroof, is a big gold post. Maybe somebody's getting a gold post for Christmas. And maybe I want a big bow on it. So again, anything can go. Maybe I have a little dog here. Maybe it's a Browns fan, so I'm going to give it a toboggan. Little nose. And again, we're just doing simple line art. This week, again, I want you to continue drawing these. Another idea, so again, your tree is going to just be a line art. Maybe you stack your top of your car with presents, and if you want them to look 3D, you can add in that side. So again, this is 2D where you just see X and Y, and if you want 3D, so there's your X, Y, 3 dimensions would be Z. And that's why you have 1, 2, 3 dimensions. And you can stack up a bunch of presents on top if you want. And have fun with that. So anyways, anything's possible on top of your car, but I would first recommend trying to think about where the car is going and what kind of Christmas they're gonna have. what I have here is a blank piece of paper. If you don't have the paper with the outline, you can easily make that with printing out the outline of the car. And on one side, you want to put some graphite down, like so. So I'm just going over the back side of that and just putting a bunch of graphite down. And what will happen is when I put this on my paper, I can trace those guidelines. And as I trace these guidelines, you will see that it just easily transfers. And this will give you the same as this outline.